Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener. And the forms have been poured, guys. So the foundation is complete. They'll just come by tomorrow, take off these forms, and then you'll see the finished product. Looks like they're gonna start framing here in just 2 days. Super excited about that, but now you can really see the layout of the house. This will be the entranceway. That will be the stairs that will go up, have a landing, turn, go up. You'll have the nice long hallway here, which has a bedroom, a bathroom, and then you have another bedroom, and then, of course, the family room with sliding doors out to the garden. The empire is starting to build. Look out for the Death Star. And here you go. Here's the garage slab. Got a nice big garage here. Give you guys an idea of the garage, the new war room. Look at how big this new war room is. It's 3 times the size of the old war room. Super excited for the new war room. I can't wait to get all my garden gear going. And then a quick look at the garden. The garden is now nothing but veggies. So with that, guys, the empire is growing. Keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.